Hey guys, Richard here, e-bike reviews and adventures. Well, I'm riding something new. This is my first impression ride, just getting something out, seeing how I like it. This is the Fucare Gemini. A lot of you pronounce it Fucare, because it's spelled F-U-C-A-R-E, but the company assured me that they want it pronounced Fucare, as in they're full of care. Well, it's all the same. It's fine with me. That was our neighbor Nicole. She purchased a bike from us once. All right, so let's just get out here. I like these brakes. Hey, I'll show you all about this bike in just a moment. Yeah, so I appreciate Fucare for sending this out to us so we can get familiar with it, do a little test and review. Gonna be bringing you some videos on it. I'm liking it enough at this point that, yeah, I'll probably be riding this more so than maybe some of the other ones I have. So you probably see this in several videos. One of the great things I like about it is it comes standard, it looks like, with 30 amp hours of juice. It's got two batteries, 15 amp hour batteries. I thought at first maybe that was just an option, but on their website it sure looks like it's not an option. You just automatically get two batteries with it, so that's way cool. This is a cadence sensor. The motor is nice, it's pretty quiet. Some motors have a high-pitched whine to it or something, but not this one. This one's sounding pretty good. I like it so far. And let's just stop right here. That sun is really cooking today. So we're going to stop here in the shade and I'll share it with you a little bit. What the heck? Well, he's got something to say, doesn't he? Maybe he doesn't like us being here. Hey, check this out. Is that a cool design or what? Well, look at this frame right here. That is a patented style frame that they came up with. And it's one of the great features about this bike. Because it's kind of got that skeleton look, right? And I like how the battery kind of sits down in there. So it's a wider frame and then the battery sits right in the middle of it right there. So I kind of like that. And then, of course, you got the whole skeletonized look back here. Gives it plenty of support, which I like. These baskets are accessory items. They sent those, so you get a nice big basket on the back and front. Now, these baskets are really heavy duty, too. They're actually kind of, physically, they're heavy. So, yeah, I like those a lot. So let's go ahead and start up here at the front a little bit. We have this Fucare branded tires, but actually, you know what? They're Innova brand, but it's got Fucare written on it. So they are Innova brand tires. I like the tread. It's more of a street style, kind of unique, but I like that. That's kind of cool. We have a different kind of headlight up here. I've never seen it before. I haven't tested it in the dark yet, so I'm not sure how that is, but it's got a built-in horn right here. But I don't believe the bike has a horn. No, the bike does not appear to have a horn. So that's interesting that they would choose that bike, so even though it's got a speaker on it. We do have suspension forks, so you can lock those out. So far, those have been working out just fine. Oh, here's something too. Guys, they send you two batteries. Guess what? They send you two chargers too. A lot of companies don't offer that. When they sell you a bike that has two batteries, they still send you just one charger. And I don't like that much at all, but hey, these guys, they provided two chargers in the box, which I really like. Got a big chain ring down here. I don't know if that's 52 tooth, but it looks bigger than a 48. Let's see here. We have a tourney derailleur, and yeah, robust rear end back here. Nice support. I think they said you can put 100 pounds in the back, if I'm not mistaken. And we do have an integrated light right here, tail light. The saddle is a dark chocolate brown, which is kind of interesting. I like the color, and it's okay. It's not too bad for a stock saddle. Let's see, what else can I share with you? We have a button pad that we've seen before. Really nice button pad. I prefer this one, in fact. Guys, these are Logan brakes, Logan hydraulic brakes. And what I've learned is the Logan brand, they're super nice. I've seen these on a few other e-bikes before, and they are just super nice brakes. We do have a bell instead of a horn. We have a really nice display. I've seen that display before, so I really like that color display. It's nice. It's a little bigger than some. Easy to read. It's a 7-speed Shimano, and we do have all these cars zooming by me. We do have a thumb throttle right here. And the, what am I trying to say? Oh, the handlebar grips, they do have a small little bump out there for your palm rest, so I like that as well. So overall, first impression is really good. I like it. I do. It's just a nice riding bike. It's a quiet bike. I love that it's got 30 amp hours of battery. I prefer bikes that have at least 20 because I like riding longer distances. And this comes 30 amp hours standard, which means I can go long distance and not have anything to worry about. It's not a huge bike. It's a little smaller in size compared to some. Yeah, I don't know what else to say right now. Just first impression is really good. It's really enjoying it. So let's just get back on it. Do a little testing here. Do a little testing. Can you see that now? Can you see the handlebars a little bit? There we go. Pick up and go is pretty good. Now the throttle is attached to the pedal assist level. I did notice that. Here we go. So it's kind of a slow, gradual pick up and go. Once you get started, it's just kind of eases up there. So it's not too aggressive or anything like that. So if you don't like an aggressive bike, then this is probably for you. And those brakes, man, those brakes, oh my goodness, they grab so nice. I tell you, I really like the Logan brakes. I've always had really, really good results out of those. Let's just do a brakes test. Yeah, I can lock up the brakes real easy, but you don't have to. Just a good firm pressure there, and it'll slow you down real quick. So I like that. Let's get going. This has 5 levels of pedal assist. One thing's interesting, I just noticed. When you get to 5, if you keep pressing the up button, then it just jumps back down to 0 and it keeps rotating through again, which is kind of interesting. Some bikes, you go all the way to the top and then you have to turn around and go all the way back down to the bottom, so that's different. And let's see what else here. I believe the top speed of this bike is 28, but it's a nice, smooth, gradual to get up there. Like I said, it's not too aggressive or anything. Now I'm doing 26. I'm able to keep up with the pedals a little bit. I'm starting to ghost pedal just because I can't keep up with that too much, but that's 27. I'm not sure what the gear set is in the back. I'll have to find out for the full review for you. But I can easily keep up with this at 20 miles an hour, 21 miles an hour. No problem. After that, it's a little aggressive trying to keep up with the pedals. But it's kind of smooth. I mean, I don't know. I don't know how to explain it. Part of it could be the tires too, because I like those street tires, because you don't have the rumble and the loud roar that you get from a off-road tire that's real knobby. So I kind of like that as well, and that makes it different. It makes it unique. Let's get back into the neighborhood here. Yeah, I do. I like it, guys. I like it. And Fucare, they have quite a few other bikes. In fact, they have another one that they were looking at sending me to begin with. It was the Gemini X. And I don't know really what all the differences are between that and this one, other than it was a step over. And I asked them if it was possible to send me the step through, just because being an older fella with some hip problems a little bit, it's just easier to get on and off. So they were kind enough to change their plan a little bit and send me this one. But I did know, oh, here's something. According to the website, they're going to be offering this in a dual motor. That is going to be stinking awesome. So right now it's only available in a rear-wheel drive, but I think you can pre-order the dual motor version, if I'm not mistaken. I'm not sure if it's available just yet, but I was just on the website checking it out, and yeah, dual motor. As quiet as what this is, with 30 amp hours, oh yeah, that'd be a lot of fun. I like dual motors because having that all-wheel drive feeling is kind of unique, and most people don't need it. I get it. But if you want to do a little off-roading or something, it can be a lot of fun. So I don't know if I want to do any heavy off-roading with these type of tires. I don't know. I haven't tried it before. If you have experience with this style of tire and going off-road, please let me know so I can know. But yeah, I might have to, for my riding style, I may raise the handlebars up a couple inches, put an extension on that handlebar stem, just so I'm a little more upright and not leaning over so much. So I think I will be doing that. But that's common for me because I'm 6'1", pretty tall, upper body. And I just prefer a more upright riding position, so I might be doing that. I'm not sure yet. If so, I'll be sure to bring you that video. Yeah, so tell me, are you guys familiar with the Fucare brand? Have you heard of it? I have seen other videos. I've heard the name for a while. So they've been around for a while. And I'll tell you what, so far the quality of their products are good. I like that they didn't go cheap on the brakes. I like that they give you 30 amp hours worth of battery there. So, and they don't have a cheap motor. They got a nice motor on there that's nice and quiet. So a lot of things to like about this brand. So I'm going to be watching them closely. And yeah, who knows, maybe we'll get something else in the future. But that's going to be it for this video. Make sure you guys stick around for the full review. So I'm going to be doing a full review hopefully in about a week. We got this hurricane to deal with right now, and so I'm not going to be making videos for a few days, and that's going to put me behind schedule, but I will be doing a full review on this bike and letting you know how it turns out after we've ridden it some more, so be looking for that video. And I believe Amanda and a couple other people are interested in riding it, so I'll try to get their impressions in a video and get other people involved just to see, so you get more than just my point of view and my impression. So make sure you stick around. If you like that sort of thing, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, so you don't miss any of that. And guys, I'll see you in another video real soon. Please, please, ride responsibly, ride safe.